Commander morning, Comrade SG. I think ngicabanga ukuthi ngikuhlebele bafu. Ngicabanga ukuthi ngikuhlebele. My name is Councillor Thabiso Molefe. The people whom you deployed here in Northwest, Comrade Nkuna, Comrade Nkateko, Comrade DSG, abanandaba nathi lana eNorthwest. Bahluleka nokwenza iphepha yokuthi sithola ama party agent. Imvumo yaka IEC, that letter, the one that we use on the VD stations. As now across the province of Northwest, SG, there's no T-shirt here. When you try to call Comrade Nkuna, you can't find him. When you try to talk to DSG, you can't find them. When you call Nkateko will tell you that the results are with the office of the SG. Comrade Babes, every time she's trying to follow up, she's trying to call these comrades, the ones whom you deployed on the key positions of Northwest, but they are nowhere to be found. Please, comrade, please, Comrade SG, please stop killing the Northwest. Please, Comrade SG, stop killing the Northwest using this comrade of the national official. We can work the ground on our own here. We've been trying to request you to say, leave Comrade Mudzi as a convener of the province. Leave Comrade Bosa on the whatever position that you gave them. But please, comrade, now these people, they don't have our interest. They are only running on their province and wards, where they are coming from. What about us in Northwest? You can't deploy people from outside Northwest. Please, stop killing the movement here in the Northwest. We are begging you, Morena. Please, Comrade Namval.
Sukuni la izolo uDuduzile Zuma Sambudla ubhalile ku X yakhe yaziwa ngeTwitter ukuthi bazobe bene media briefing today kanye noNhlamulo Ndlela lapha bebezokhuluma khona mayelana nama announcement enziwe nje umkhonto wesizwe ikakhulukazi le eyokuthi bona benoNhlamulo Ndlela sebexoshiwe abasewona amalungu omkhonto wesizwe party. Ngempela akibe khona leyo media briefing kodwa ngaphamba sikhuluma izinto eziningi. Umkhonto wesizwe party usukube nabo secretary general abawu9 if not 10. Bawu9 if not 10. And abezindaba mabembuza uDuduzile bambuza iquestion interesting kakhulu ukuthi bonke abantu bakhala ngawe ukuthi wena lo letha idivision lapha emkhontweni. Ngaleso sizathu kukhona ukuzisola na kuwe. Okwesibili mayelana nodaba lo SG yini le wena eqhatha nabo secretary general bomkhonto wesizwe party bonke. Ngikhuluma mina ngabantu abawu9. Akwazi kwenzeka. Lento ifana nokuthi ungadibana nosisi. Ngifuna ukwenza umzekelo ngosisi mhlambe bese banezingane ezu3 ngoba babehlukene. Angeke kuthiwe bonke labantu bebe wrong uyena right. Namanje ngisasho umkhonto wesizwe party ube nabo secretary general abawu9 noma 10. Angikholwa mina ukuthi bonke labo secretary general bebe wrong. Angikholwa. Ikhona into wrong. Angiyazi ukuthi kuphi. Kodwa akwazi ukuthi bonke labantu sengathiwa bayabheda bonke boyi9. Abantu abefana benza izinto ezingafani. Kodwa ukwazi ukuthi abantu abawu9 abehlukene noma abawu10 abehlukene bese kuthiwa bonke bayabheda. Hayi angikholelwa kulonto leyo.
I'll start with the last question. I don't take any responsibility. I do blame the people around the leadership. And I don't feel betrayed by my father. I, again, blame the people around him. Yeah, that's it.
What do you think about the SG?
I thought I could escape that one. Up to date, we have not had great SGs. Thank you.
I'd like to expatiate on the SG matter. You know, as what Dudu is saying, from day one, this party has never had an SG that's capable of actually leading this organization. Fact. And the president should not be blamed for changing SGs. As you can see already, that with this particular one, where it's going, the problem is that when people occupy that role, the first thing that happens is that they become arrogant, they become celebrities, they now want to come in and just change without consultation, they want to abuse their power. And the problem is because, you see, you're dealing with people whose mindset is of that of politics. They don't have a liberation agenda. Umkhonto we Sizwe was founded by activists. And most of those SGs, by the way, were not on the ground. So they don't understand the party. They've never understood the party. And that's why you find so much resistance when it comes to members on the ground. Because they bring tendencies that are foreign to Umkhonto we Sizwe party. If you look at what's transpired to date, every single week, ever since he's arrived, statements regarding people being removed, a statement on Mabatu now all of a sudden having Dudu. What is that? You know, every single week, it's now we're becoming a joke. Every single week, we're calling press conferences. You know, it's time for the Teletubbies. Time for Teletubbies. That's what we're becoming.
Ngoba umzuleke uDuduzile esho ukuthi selokhu Umkhonto we Sizwe Party wasungulwa ngo-2023 abakaze baba no-SG. Laba bakhona abakwazi ukufulfiya noma ukungena kahle kuleya role. Iqiniso liphelele ukuthi ingenzeka kuba inkinga yikho kulabo SG, kodwa into eyenzeka kuma political parties ama factions ukuthi wena uhamba nobani. Nathi nje into efika ibe inkinga. Angeke ngenze umzekelo. Unhlamulo khona athi labo khona lathi khona bo SG abekho on the ground. Kwakukhona uFloyd. UFloyd wayeumuntu ayithanda kakhulu ama ground forces, kodwa kunabantu abangamthanda. Sibala thina abo breakdown nabanye kwakuhlukene kumkhonto. Futhi kwafike kwaba worse uma sekukhona udaba luka Mary Padi lapho Floyd athatha khona isinqumo sokuthi akungasuki noma ubani aveleze ku President uJacob Zuma. Abantu babeza via ududu laba abasesayidini lakhe. Lokho kwadala ukuthi Umkhonto we Sizwe Party ungabi nalo uzinzo. Yingakho ngithi angeke kuthiwa bonke labantu boyi9 boyi10 mangabe bawu10 bonke labantu ba wrong. Ikhona into engahambi kahle ukunje ngoba esikhathini esiningi abantu abafuni ukukhuluma iqiniso. Yazi makuzoxazulula inkinga. Uyabona umuntu uma enethumba, isixazululo sethumba uthi lithotshwe. Lona ithumba leli noma libhlungu kodwa ufuna kuthotshwe lona. Nayo into efuneka yenze ukuze kulungiseke yonke lenkinga le, ngoba nabo labo SG mabenganikwa ithuba bazokhuluma okunye bekhulume ngabo bona labo. Yingakho ngithi lolu daba lolu lufuna kulanda umnyombo walenkinga ukuthi nansi inkinga. Kungenzeka ukuthi uSG right, kodwa ngenxa yama factions abangesho ukuthi into eyinkinga kuma political party le asiqhubeke sizwe ukuthi uphinde wathi noNhlamulo.
And then we have people also who now we've been told, if I want to respond to that question, on the membership of some of those leaders. You know, it's funny that one of those leaders cited there should know better because he represented President Zuma in a DC regarding membership. So if he's not a member of Umkhonto we Sizwe Party, that alone should be telling. I mean, that's the basis of which you even participate in this party, by taking up membership. So if it turns out that these individuals in the form of leaders are not members of Umkhonto we Sizwe Party, that's going to be very interesting to see how it turns out. Because now you're going to have non-members having expelled founding members. So on the issue of membership, should that turn out to be true, I think the outcomes are going to be quite dire from the members on the ground. And also, just to touch on the issue of the SG, There's no ways you can lead a movement such as Umkhonto we Sizwe Party and still occupy a seat in parliament and still think you're going to fulfill your roles in parliament and then still in the party. It's not going to work. He has to choose one. Which one is it? Because running Umkhonto we Sizwe Party is not a celebrity platform like ad hoc committee. This is a movement. We've got looming government elections. Like we said, not even one poster. So there's a number of issues that we are also aware of, which we cannot divulge because, again, we are disciplined members of Umkhonto we Sizwe Party.
Inselo Nhlamulo, ngokwe-constitution yomkhonto wesizwe party, uma unika ubekwe kwi-position, uyaphuma eParliament. Yingakho ubaba uBrian Molefe wathi mayebeka zo Treasurer General womkhonto wesizwe party waphuma as a member of parliament. Kodwa ke kukhona kunye kufanele singakukhohlwa. UNomvalo njengoba ebekwi ad hoc committee, i-ad hoc committee sesebhizi ilungisela ireport yayo ezoyipresenta phambi kwe-National Assembly. Mhlambe isona sizathu senza ukuthi angaqala aphume eParliament, baqeda umsebenzi ebebewenza we-ad hoc committee. Manje kungaba impossible ukuthi ngathiwa ngoba seka u-SG akaphume lapha kuthiwe ngalo msebenzi ebebewenza phela ubeyingxenye yawo ufuna balungise yonke into afuneka bayilungise. Yingakho iviki neviki kuba khona ama-meeting we-portfolio committee, i-ad hoc committee, lapho khona kukhulunywa khona ukuthi kuzokwenziwa ini ngoba kufanele bahambise i-report phambi kwe-parliament. Uzoba ingxenye kanjani nalezo inkulumo angaseyona i-member of parliament? And why lokhu bekuraiser manje ngoba sekuthiwa baxoshiwe bengakuvezanga ngaphambilini? Yakuningi nje okukhulunyiwe lapha ya. Kodwa ke sizozwa nje kuhambeni kweinsuku ukuthi kona kupho kuzokwenzeka. Uyezwa manje kuthiwa kunezinsolo khona abantu okusolakala ukuthi abawona ama-member. Njengoba ngisho mina ukuthi abantu abaphume kumkhonto wesizwe party ngaphambilini, kakhulukazi uSecretary General, bakhala ngoNhlamulo kanye noDuduzile. Namhlanje xoshwe bona bakhala ngo-SG. Mhlawumbe abakamtholi u-SG owenza intando yabo, abathi mabethi bheka le, mabethi jump athi how high, angabuzi ukuthi why should I jump. Mhlawumbe bakuleso sigaba leso, angazi-ke kodwa iyona into ekhulunyiwe le namhlanje. Benginje ngikuphi i-update ngento ezenzekayo. Ngibonile ukuthi kunodaba lenkosi yakwaChiliza ebelibhalwe iSunday World ngeviki eliphelile olithinta yena uNomvalo. Bengifuna ukukhuluma ngalo ngoba kunama developments kodwa ngibuka isikhathi sesambe kakhulu. Angiyibambe le video ngizwe ukuthi wena uthini kulolu daba. Ngibalekela ukuthi singabi nezihloko eziningi ngoba la ku comment section sogcina singasaphawulanga kahle ngazo zonke. Ngakho ke asiyibambe le video. Ngicela ukuza ukuphawula kwakho uzuleke ukuthi inkinga la oSecretary General uDuduzile noNhlamulo bathe bazoya enkantolo ngoba bakholelwa ekuthenini akulandelwanga imigudu njengokuyalelwa iConstitution yomkhonto wesizwe party uma kuthatha isinqumo sokuthi baxoshwe ithathe i-membership yabo. Okunye akuvezile uDuduzile ukuthi uzoyokhuluma nobaba wakhe inabe ezohlangana naye kuleli viki ezokwazi mhlawumbe ukuchazeleka ngezinto ezenzekayo ukuthi ikona kupho kwenzekayo. Sizozwa lapho. Kodwa ke naye ushilo wathi upresident wabo akanankinga, inkinga abantu abaseduze kwakhe. uFloyd naye wathi hayi upresident akanankinga, inkinga ilabantu abaseduze kwakhe, wabala uDuduzile noNhlamulo. uDuduzile noNhlamulo bathi hayi abantu ababhedayo labaseduze kapresident. Ya ikhona yona inkinga khona ukuthi yithi nje singayazi. Yithi nje singazi. Mina nawe kasidibane kwivideo elandelayo, ngiyabonga.